Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to easily get travel insurance online using Travelersmed. Whether you're a first-time traveler or simply someone looking for reliable coverage, Travelersmed makes it easy to find insurance that suits your needs. Let's start by visiting the Travelersmed website, which offers a user-friendly interface. One of the great things about this site is that it provides detailed information about different travel insurance plans. You can view their features, understand what is covered, and make informed decisions based on your budget and travel plans. From single-trip policies to comprehensive long-term coverage, the platform has everything you need. To begin, navigate to the homepage, where you can enter your trip details. Input your destination, the length of your stay, and the number of travelers. The system will instantly show you a variety of options tailored to your journey. One advantage of Travelersmed is its transparency in pricing. There are no hidden fees, and the costs of each plan are clearly listed. Plus, you can quickly compare the pros and cons of different packages. One feature I particularly like is the clear breakdown of the coverage, including medical expenses, trip cancellation, baggage protection, and more. This is crucial when you want to ensure that your specific concerns are addressed. Additionally, Travelersmed offers an intuitive FAQ section that answers most common queries, saving you time. If you're looking for a trusted service, I recommend trying Traveling, a reliable option that offers excellent travel insurance tailored to your specific needs. It's fast, affordable, and trusted by many frequent travelers. You can check it out through the link in the description to get started with their service. As you scroll through the site, you'll notice that they also offer specialized plans for different types of trips. Whether you're going on a business trip, a family vacation, or an adventurous journey, the selection process is simple and designed with the traveler in mind, allowing you to complete your purchase in just a few clicks. Another perk is that the entire transaction is secure, ensuring your personal and payment details are safe. The cost of travel insurance on Travelersmed is competitive. You can see what you're paying for at every stage and adjust your plan to fit your specific requirements. It's important to select a plan that balances cost and coverage, depending on your personal travel situation. If you're ready to get travel insurance for your next trip, follow the link in the description below. Don't leave your trip unprotected. Visit Traveling now to ensure you're covered for any situation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and see you in the next video.